Hi, my name is Ren. This is assignment 5 in this question 2. First, answer to the first question. So here you can see this. This is the class node where I'm defining node data structure that represent node in a binary tree. Each node has an integer value and reference to its left and right child node. And here we can say this like is the whole class binary tree. Like I just create a node root, and I'm just initializing method. And what is the initializing method? I'm just creating a node. I'm just adding the value. And here we can see this like the class defines a binary tree data structure that represent a binary tree. Like each binary tree has a reference to its root. So I'm just initializing it, and which like initially I'm just keeping it null in the constructor, and the initialization method is called a constructor to set the structure of binary tree by creating a node object, and I'm connecting to them like together in a particular way, form a binary tree which is a specified uh, structure. Like I'm just and here these are the like pre-order traversal, in order, and post-order traversal. So like in pre-order, what I'm doing, I'm just like for each node, I'm first point the value to the node, then recursively visit the left child node, and then recursively to the right child node. Whereas like in order, what I'm doing, I'm visit the left child node first, then print the value of the node, then recursively visit the right child node. And whereas in like post order, I'm just visit the left child node, then recursively visit the right child node, and then print the value of the node. Uh, in main method, I'm just printing all the pre-order, in order, and post order transfer method. So let's run this. Here you can see the output. For this output, I just created um, output in ChatGPT, so like we can visualize this properly. So uh, we can see this like okay, okay, okay. So here's the output. Like this is the for like post order traversal method. It follows the path. Uh, Whereas like uh, this is the in order, and this is the pre-order. This is the uh, first question. So this is the question 2. So in this question, like what I'm doing, like is the class node where I'm just represent the node in binary. Each node has a like integer value and two child nodes left and right. The binary tree printer class contains a like single static method print with first that takes a root node and height of the tree as input parameter. So in this like method, like what we do, uh, method print the node and the tree breathe first in order using a queue. So like it first calculate the maximum number of nodes using this formula, and then initialize a queue with the root node and start a loop that queues a node from the queue and print its value. It if the tag node is null, then it prints the capital N. So as a null, so it represent like a node is empty. If the tag is node is not null, then it will print the value, and NQ is left and right child node. So and here's the variable like nodes printed. So this variable gives a track of number of nodes that have been printed so far and the current level. When the number of printed nodes equals the um, number of printed node equal number of nodes at the current level. Also, um, when the number of printed nodes and equal number nodes at the current level, which is like a 2 raised to level minus 1. So like this one. The method prints the new line character and update the label variable each time. Also, nodes printed variable. The loop contains until there are no more nodes in like queue. So it will check in the last like there is no node is left so in the queue. So like it will print everything. So in the main method, I'm just adding the node one by one, and like I'm just checking. Like in the end, I'm just printing everything. So let's run this program. Here you can see this like it follows the path and 0, 1, 3, 7, 4, 8, 1, 3, 7, 8, 1, 4, and here's like 0, 5, 9, and 2, 6, and 10, and so like it follows the path and there are some null values, so we can see that like it's running properly. And this is the question two of like part two of the question two. Thank you.